Well, the test drive didn't go so well. The engine lights come on. It doesn't appear to be a problem, but we've just stopped at a Shell station. I'm going to buy some oil and then we'll drive home. It's not too far, and let it cool down. Then I'll probably check the oil tomorrow and see how it is. I'm going to have to check it in anyway, obviously, for a full service and everything, but yeah, it's always a bit of a worry with a new car when a warning light comes on. Hello folks, well, if you saw my video where I bought the Mini Cooper S Countryman yesterday, today is the day after, and we had a blow-in exhaust and a lot of horrible smells coming into the car when we took it for a test drive last night. We thought it was maybe losing oil, so I just topped it up with some oil, but definitely the exhaust is blowing. So Saturday morning, and I've managed to get an appointment with Tanvic tyres. They were very good. I called around quite a few places and nobody could see. It's only Tanvic. Anyway, they've taken the car out for a test drive and they can't see anything that they can do. It looks like it might be around the manifold or something like that. So it's not just a question of there's a problem with the exhaust. He said the exhaust is fine. He did say there's quite a lot of oil under the car. So we're not going to be able to do anything with it today. I think I'm just going to have to book it into Mini Specialist and then get them to do a full diagnostic on the car, and then maybe leave it with them and see what happens. Okay, moving on. Well, we're in Halfords. Just had a new set of wipers fitted and some window washers fluid as well. So not bad. Bosch wipers, £15.98 for the Mini. I thought that was a very good price. And then £3.99 for the window washers fluid. So great. Well, we got the wipers just in time because it's raining and the engine light's gone out. So I don't know why. I'm taking the Mini Clubman to Tyre and Tech in Lincoln. It's got a blow-in exhaust. There's quite a few things that need attention, I think. So I'm just going to get Adrian there to give it a good diagnostic for me, see what the problems are. So let's go. In 2012, I had a BMW 7 Series long wheelbase, and I got my wife a Mini Clubman Cooper S, the Hampton 50 years anniversary edition. It was an automatic, and it was a very rare car. We really did love that car and regretted selling it a year later. We lived on the coast, and the BMW was my cruiser to take me to my office in Bangkok, and the Mini Clubman was really the car we used for dashing around in the city. In addition to the Clubman 50 years limited edition, Mini also produced a 50 years limited edition Mayfair. Now the Mayfair only came as a saloon, a hatchback. They didn't make a Clubman version. They did it in white or brown, and they did a Cooper or a Cooper S. but the Cooper S versions are quite rare. So my crazy idea was I would convert my metallic chocolate brown Clubman into a Mayfair. Now I've managed to find the indicators and the door seal kick plates. I managed to find those in Canada. So instead of the Mini Cooper S kick plates, I'll convert that to the Mini 50 Mayfair. And yeah, I found those on eBay, sent them in from Canada. They're not brand new, but they look in perfect condition. I'm also going to add the 50 years anniversary badge and the spotlights. The wheels that are on the car are a bit scratched up. I looked around at replacement wheels, and there was a couple that I liked. I like these mags, but I like the Lenzos. I've got Lenzos on my Mini Cooper Cabriolet, and I thought these were really nice and would set the car off perfectly. So I've bought a set of these wheels and a few other bits and pieces that the car needed, a speaker cover, spotlight brackets, etc. And I'm going to take all this stuff down to Adrian and get him to put it all on the car for me. So I don't know what you think about my crazy plan to turn this into a mini Mayfair Clubman, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and stay tuned because I will be publishing a follow-up video to this very soon.